What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got something a little bit different than kind of what we usually do. I'm on my way to a pickup right now. Right now we are on I-95 heading south in coastal Connecticut. We're going down to Bridgeport, which is like south of New Haven area, and we got a pickup today, same day. It's a direct pickup and delivery, same day. Going over to right outside Montgomery, New York, so very short run today. But today's video we're going to be focusing on this pickup because it's on a busy street, and you kind of just got to back in off the street here to it looks like a little loading dock. Every time I get a new load and I go into somewhere unfamiliar or a place I haven't been before, I always kind of check it out, see what the satellite view looks like on Google Maps. If you're not doing this, you should definitely be doing that. That way you can figure out which side of the street you need to be on, where the truck entrance is, if it's actually, you know, off a street that's not actually the address of where you're going, so on and so forth, this, that, and the third. You can figure out where the loading docks are at. And yeah, so today I looked at that, figured out where we gotta go. I did the street view, figured out where the loading dock is. It's right off the street, off a little side street. So yeah, we're making our way down there now. Should be there in about an hour. So gonna do a little point of view backing just so you can see a little bit challenging. It looks like there's probably gonna be some parked cars and all that, so we're gonna see what it looks like and we're gonna make some content out of it. All right, y'all, we have arrived here on site. This is the street where we gotta go. This is our business right here. Right over there is where we gotta back in at. This is what we got to work with. Here's the street we had to come down. Pretty tight, as you can see. So I got to go check in. Tried to pull over as far as I can to the side, but cars can barely get through. But yeah, this is what we're up against. Got to do back in right here. Here we go. All right, let's do the fun thing. the bell after this bastard. Be a fucking bitch out here, dude. Just like that. Can't be scared out here. This is what we're up against. I had to watch this pole. I know it was kind of hard to see. Put you on the mirror over there for the sight side back, but what was really you had to watch was hopping up on that curb. There's a little red drain spout thing right there. It's getting pretty close to that. That pole and obviously this car. But we got her in there. Let's go check it. Bam! Little gap right there, but you know, whatever. I don't give a fuck. Close enough. Let's get that shit. Some New England shit going on out here, man. But you can't be scared. Just gotta get it done. Remember the basics. Get underneath it. Get out and look if you gotta. Fuck traffic, they can wait. It only takes a second. This street's not too busy. As you can see, we had a couple cars waiting, but that's all right. They'll make it to where they're going on time. And yeah, just get out and get it done. Don't be scared. This shit'll put you to the test, but don't be scared. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you guys. Be sure to like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. I gotta get loaded, and then we gotta take this up to New York. Not too far, but ain't gonna show all that. At this point of this video was just for the back, so. Bell, why do you put me in these places, man? I know freight is tough. Rates are tough, but like, this shit ain't, bro. Anyway, guys, that'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Comments down below, like, share, subscribe, all that shit. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.